The main objective of cloud computing is to understand about the evolution of the cloud from the various existing technologies to have the various issues in cloud computing. We will be familiar with the various cloud services that are provided for us at the end of this course. And then here the emergence of the cloud is given. Here, these are the various course outcomes from CO1 to CO6. So in the syllabus, in the first unit, we will be seeing the introduction about the cloud, whereas in second unit, the various cloud emerging technologies are addressed. In that, the how the cloud is being architectured and what are all the various implementation levels of the technologies that are used in order to provide a cloud service. So those concepts will be dealt in unit 2 along with virtualization support. Here in unit 3 we will learn about the various services and various architectures about the cloud and how the cloud services are stored. In fourth unit we will learn about the resource management and the security in the cloud. So here various resource management techniques are focused, and then the very important aspect is cloud security because the data in the cloud is available to everyone. So that is discussed in unit 4. Whereas in unit 5 all the emergent techniques are discussed. So here in this PPT we will be learning about what is cloud computing and what are all the various basic concepts of that. There are 3 important deployment models that are discussed, service level, service models, everything are discussed. So in this diagram we understand cloud computing is surrounded with hosting, migration and all. So here this is the basic definition of cloud computing. So it is also called as utility computing, that is only for the services what we have utilized we will be paying. So that's why it is named as utility computing. Apart from this we know that the best graphical interface is used in utility computing, and then various transport providers are also discussed. Here in addition the platform provide on demand servicing. On demand servicing in the sense we very well know that demand will not be constant, it varies. According to that the amount will be calculated, that is called as on demand servicing. So here this slide describes about the various characteristics of the cloud. The first and foremost characteristic is the remote hosted. It is ubiquitous and it is commoditized. Next, these are the best examples of cloud service providers. It is very famous providers. They are Google, Microsoft and Salesforce.com. These are the important cloud service providers that we are using in the real-time scenario by many consumers. Google Drive is the very best example what we are using at present to store so many data, photos, etc. Here these are the some of real-time examples of cloud computing. So we are very much familiar with Gmail, Facebook. So everything is done using the concept of cloud computing only. And then here in basic concepts, first we deal with deployment models. It explains how the service gets deployed in the cloud. Deployment in the sense the proper placing of the service in the cloud, that is called as deployment model. And then the various deployment models are public cloud, private cloud, hybrid cloud and community cloud. As the name implies, public is used for everyone, private is only for the concerned company. This deployment models, this is the definition of the various cloud deployment models. Private cloud is only for the particular enterprise, whereas community cloud is for a group of people who belong to same community. For example, we may say student community, teacher community and so on. Hybrid cloud, as the name implies, it is the combination of any of the above 3 cloud services, that is called hybrid cloud. Next, the very important topic in cloud computing is service models. There are 3 service models. We call it as IaaS, PaaS and SaaS. IaaS, the expansion is infrastructure as a service. PaaS is platform as a service. SaaS is software as a service. In service model, this is the basic diagram. Here, what are all the services provided under IaaS, PaaS and SaaS are given in this diagram. In IaaS, this is infrastructure as the service. Here, the fundamental resources such as physical machines, virtual storage, etc., will be served to the consumer for their purpose. And the next slide we will be seeing about the various service models under IaaS, Amazon, Google and so on. PaaS, the services that are listed here. These are the service models under SaaS, that is software as a service. Here it is utility billed based on usage. So only for what we use, only for that the bill amount will be raised. That is the important one. And next, this is called SaaS. So these are the various SaaS application models.